House Speaker elected and markets are on fire. Is this the turning point we've been waiting for? Let's go! In today's video, we're diving into key trades across major ETFs and growth stocks, as well as setups that could lead to massive moves next week. I'll also share my thoughts on navigating volatile markets and spotting opportunities like a pro. Friday's big news was the election of a House Speaker, a development that lit a fire under the markets. Optimism surged, and we saw significant upside momentum. Meanwhile, looking ahead to next week, we've got the ADP employment report on Wednesday and non-farm payrolls on Friday, two key catalysts that could set the tone for the market's next major move. The market's reaction to these reports will likely determine whether the recent rally has staying power or fizzles out. We'll be watching these numbers closely to gauge the strength of the economy and its impact on interest rate expectations. Let's get into the trades. I opened a position in
SOXL, essentially the 3x bull of SMH.
I protected this trade before the close and sold half when it approached take profit once over 5% on the day. Leveraged ETFs like this demand caution, but the momentum was undeniable. Be sure to join the Discord to stay updated on moves like this as signals fire every hour on the half hour. As who can afford to miss out on 5% moves?
Next,
there's ARK Innovation ETF, ticker ARKK. When the signal fired, the stock was already up over 2%.
and it can feel counterintuitive to buy something that's already pumping, but as I say, buy high and sell higher.
This trade delivered nearly 3% gains by the end of the day. Why do you think ARK's setup is so strong? Let me know in the comments. Lastly, let's talk Spotify technology, ticker SPOT. I bought this one yesterday at the signal, and it exploded over 2% in the first hour. While I took profit on part of the position early, the stock formed a beautiful bull flag later in the day, making me likely to re-enter on Monday. This is why you'll want to subscribe to King Trading for daily updates on these moves. Freebies that haven't yet left the station can be game changers. Now for the setups. Super Microcomputer, ticker SMCI, has been a recurring topic, and today it delivered, closing up over 10%. That's what I call a winner-winner chicken dinner. This stock has shown incredible resilience and continues to trade in line with its strong fundamentals. Keep your eyes on TMF,
The 3x bull of TLT.
with yield seemingly hitting resistance. This ETF might be gearing up for a significant rally. If yields reverse lower, this trade could see an explosive move to the upside. And finally, S&P 500 stocks above 20-day average, ticker S5TW, is showing signs of bottoming. If it starts to rip higher, it could signal the beginning of a broad market recovery. The chart is hinting at a major reversal, and if we see volume accompany this move, it could trigger a strong trend reversal across the board. This could align perfectly with the higher levels outlined in my 2025 roadmap. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to click here and watch it.
As that's all I have for now until the next video, and we'll see you then.